Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Me Najibullah. I am here to take the first class for procurement first semester from the first chapter. Today's discussion is all about introduction of procurement, some principle of procurement. Objective of the class is introduction and definition of procurement, the process of procurement, some basic principle of procurement. Definition to procurement. Maybe you heard the name of procurement, or we can say in simple dari tadarukat. What is the meaning of tadarukat, or what is the meaning of procurement? That will be simply explained here. Procurement, the act of buying in obtaining goods and services, or we can say the act of buying certain commodity or product, or we can say the process of preparations and processing demand and get approval of payment. So if I am working with a procurement department, so if I am purchasing anything for that department, that is belong to procurement, and getting the approval of payment from the head or from the boss also belong to procurement, and that is my responsibility to get approval for payment. The process of procurement. So if I am working as a manager, procurement manager, which stage or which process should I follow as a procurement manager? The first stage is purchase planning. So what do you mean by purchase planning? Purchase planning means I need to investigate that what product or what I really need for my organization, what is really exists, what I really need to purchase. At the second stage, research and selection. Research and selection mean to find the supplier and investigate about supplier and select one supplier for purchasing certain commodity or product for the organization. And number third, finance and price negotiation. Need to get approval for money or for finance from the boss, and then negotiate the price with a supplier of that product or commodity. Number four, making purchase mean giving money to the supplier and getting or having the product for the organization. And at last, maintaining inventory. And maintaining inventory, seeing again, searching again whether the organization need for other product or not. Basic principle of procurement. So if you are working as a procurement manager or procurement assistant, you need to follow some basic principle for your organization or for efficiency of your work or your activity. The first principle is effective. Effective mean what? Procurement activity should be predetermined and planned, and your activity should contribute optimal, or we can say maximum benefit to the organization. Or your procurement planning or your procurement activity should be matching with the goal of that organization. Efficiency. Efficiency all belong to time frame, or we can say time management. Efficiency mean procurement activity conduct in accordance with a determined company business plan, or you need to follow the organization business plan with a certain time frame and accountable, or we can say responsive. Time should be efficiently managed, or efficiently management should be there for procurement activity. For example, our organization needs certain product at the month of January. So you should prepare that product or that commodity on time with the best price. Open in competitive. What do you mean by open in competitive? It means the process of procurement should be open in competitive for all supplier, or we can say for all provider. Whoever met the requirement, contract should be done under the clear and transparent procedure. Not like corrupted government. So in some cases we can see an Asian country or also in Afghanistan that if someone is working with a procurement department, they are giving they are purchasing or they are contracted hardly or secretly with those relevant or with those relative which they really know, and there is like corruption. There should not be any corruption between procurement department process and also procurement process and organization, and it should be open for the all provider, and there should be fair and transparent bidding process between. Fair and non-discriminative, like we explained that it should be open. Fair and non-discriminative principle is also same like open and competitive. Fair and non-discriminative mean giving equal treatment to all provider of goods and services and does not lead to benefit for particular party due to whatever reason. Fair and non-discriminative is like if you know someone, maybe you will make easily the requirement for that person. If you not know someone else, or you maybe provide some difficult requirement and you will ask difficult document from that person, there should be non-discriminative and there should be fair and transparent procedure for procurement and purchasing certain commodity or good for the organization. Responsibility mean if you are working as a procurement manager, you need to go with a social responsibility. You need to consider government and also employee and also society. You need to consider the responsibility for the society and do your activity based on social responsibility. As we discussed, social responsibility and management or your management teacher will explain you social responsibility, the meaning of social responsibility. Social responsibility mean something that I really need for me, or something I really want for me, I will want for the other also, or seeking my benefit and other benefit. This is called what? Social responsibility. And social responsibility principle, it giving has idea that whenever I am conducting my process of procurement, I need to consider the social responsibility and I should not harm the other life or other benefit. Independent mean procurement decision should be taken objectively and independently from any intervention. So if you are a procurement manager, there should be not any intervention from the boss or from the minister or from the governmental side. You need to do your activity independently. Thanks for watching. Have a great time. Catch you on next lecture. Goodbye, dear student.